Hello everybody, in this video I am going to tell about manufacturing of washing soda. Okay, first you have to know about chemical formula of washing soda, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate. It's a basic salt. Some people just say sodium carbonate. It's not true. You have to say sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, first you have to know brine solution, that is sodium chloride in aqueous form. That's it. And first we have to take ammonium and brine solution and carbon dioxide. We have to mix it, then one chemical reaction happen and end products are sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. Okay, sodium bicarbonate is nothing but baking soda. We have to take sodium bicarbonate, we have to heat it, then we will get sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, now we have to take sodium carbonate and we have to mix it 10 molecule of water, then we will get sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is nothing but washing soda. This whole process is called solvary process. That's it.